In Canada, cancer research has come a long way. But for Black communities, a new study says this knowledge is missing.
For years and decades, we don't know what's happening in Canada for specific groups, right? When you have data, you have to look at the differences.
The Interdisciplinary Centre for Black Health analyzed various Canadian cancer studies. They found there was no data on how common cancers affected Black people. The authors say this is because of a colorblind approach, a method that doesn't consider race.
When your skin color can be part of the problem and people choose to ignore your skin color, it is inherently racist.
In April, Winnipeg hospitals will start collecting race-based stats, a first in Canada. Dr. Marsha Anderson will lead the program. She believes that the colorblind approach maintains inequality in healthcare.
Color blindness in healthcare data sets or in health research in Canada is a choice. It's a choice that has been made and often continues to get made. And I think in some ways, it feeds into a myth that we don't have the same impacts of racism in Canada that our neighbors to the south experience.
Cancer Care doesn't collect racialized data, but their breast screening program, Breast Check, plans to start. The researchers in Ottawa also found that when compared to others, Black communities were less likely to be screened for cancer. Sociologist Delia Douglas says some people stay away from what they fear.
Fear will be one reason to not have the conversation, but also the history of anti-Black racism in healthcare, and as one institution, is also contributing to not pursuing questions around your health and well-being, because it's not an institution where you feel that you are seen as a human being and treated with the care and consideration that you deserve.
All the researchers we talked to said there are still gaps that need to be filled. But to them, acknowledging there's a problem is the first step towards better care for all. Chidi Akuma, CBC News, Winnipeg.